party, pull up in the city, we're running the clubs. If you ain't talk about money, you can slide it cause I can't afford the guap. They be tryna step on my face, baby, that's my side. Cooking the kitchen, this part is she's hanging low, we perfect to craft. Yeah, we party, pull up in the city, we're running the clubs. If you ain't talk about money.
Amara ngibona ngathi agree wonke ama documents wakho. Yeah, into esele manje ukuthi ngikwenzele i-copy yale contract and then ngizokuthumelela maybe uzoyithola boma next week yabo and then yini manje lokhu
Ukuphi kona manje
yini 3207 who writes in numbers bro
Amanda dashuthi mayigama lami yabo ulispela kanje mara lipronounce as enthusiast
then makunjalo ke futhi angeke sibe nenkinga okay
maye uthi siqala nini kusibana ke nja yami
kusibana sesiqalile already lalela into engifuna ungenzele yona manje ngifuna ungenzele i-mixtape yabo and then mawungenzela uzoqala ngaloku release
okay maye bongathi like iskip singile kuqala sibone ukuthi audience yakhe react kanjani
lalela the reason ngithi wenze i-mixtape ne ukuthi uzothatha i-track eli-1 ku mixtape silenze single sikhiphelo nakuqala sibheke ukuthi ba react kanjani mabalithanda le single and then kube ukuthi sesidropha consistently kungabe ukuthi cut uyenza mixtape ngoba dayide ngizosibambezela kanti kwamele sihle senze imali walo still in the crime yabo
okay
lalela ama feature ngifuna wakhethe kahle kule mixtape ngifuna ama hit kuphela hayi umsangano
okay great zakuthinta ke masengicedile ke
Ngaze kuba ukuthi njani futhi njani ufuna ukuthi ngiyaphila okay coquette angiphili ke
chill ungalwi hawu bengibuza
ngingalwi uthi ngingalwi coquette ukhohle anniversary yethu waphindwa wakhohle birthday yami waphindwa wakhohle i-trip besiplanile
akulona qiniso le birthday yakho ngiyayikhumbula and I'm planning something very special for lelo langa lakho ngiyakuthembisa ngeke ulikhohle impilo
coquette nini birthday yami
yazi nilanga ngisalikhumbula kahle but I did such a pretty reminder ukuthi ngizokhona ukukhumbula Happy birthday to you happy birthday to you happy birthday to you happy birthday to you
kahle bosoyikhohle ibirthday yami ne
ukuthi into zami eziningi yabo and bengisahlanganisa ngizama ukuthi ngikwenzele yona ibe special kakhulu ibirthday yakho so that ungazoyikhohlwa but I guess ngingashiwa isikhathi
okay kulungile khetho uzongibona nini
yabona lapha ngekho sure ngathi but I'll make some time ukuthi ngize ngizokubona
okay
lalela ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngikhohlwa amalanga abalekile kithi ne and ukuthi nje into zami eziningi ngiyahlanganisa ngenzela ukuthi mina nawe siphume kule ndawo sande sohlala emasababa nathi drive imoto eyibizayo amaphupho afezeke
ngiya-understand ukuthi usebenza kanzima and ngiyakusupporta mara wena ngathi siyakhohlwa yimi because nelanga liyandlula ungakhulumanga nami ngisho neviki ungakhulumanga nami yazi noma ungaspenda 15 minutes nami ngeviki yazi ukuthi ngiyaku-appreciate lokho
hawu sisumuhle kangaka uncingana nale mpatha ngikhona mina bhuti omnandi
yazi ibhuti ungazosiphazamisa bona ukuthi sibisi siyakhuluma la sihambele please
khona uyakutshela lo muntu wakho ukuthi bekabhiza yenza ama-vlog nomunye ugele baphinde kula-vidav labapotopotozana
how are you doing ni-right kodwa guys
yimi ngamhlanganisana le ntombi yimi ngambhalela leso script unenkinga ngalokho
hayi-ke kushuthi ni-disaster ye-couple-ke futhi nale ntombi enibhize niyenzana yamavidiyo intombi yami so cela imali yami
yobhuda singamazi sicela usihambele la sibhiza yabo
yazi mina sana iy'ntaba ayihlangani kodwa abantu bayahlangana yeso zokubamba sana
so wena ubhizi yenza ama-vlog namanye amantombazane
kodwa nawe uyasazi leso script ngiyasi-approve
ngasi-approve cause bengithi uzoyenza namanye ithi
but ngakutshela ukuthi ngesenza nomunye umuntu
wow okay
so ngeke uyiphendule ifoni okay so usasa interested kwi-modeling
why
okay ukuthi kunomuntu engihlangane naye ne angitshela ukuthi uspecialize ngalezi isho nje sileza ku-modeling music and whatever so unginikele impahla le uthe basebenzisana nabantu abaningi yabo and ama-models wabo benza imali eningi
Okay, ngizabheka kahle uma ngifika ekhaya.
Ushaya-ke ngoba ama-spaces are limited and then uzofunda-ke lapho and then ugcwalise and then uzothumela i-200 kule number lena ne then membership yakho izoba verified.
Oh, njengoba bongekho available soloko busy vele ngalezi zinto.
Ya, ngakutshela ngathi ngiyahlanganisa and namanje vele kukhona ngisakuhlanganisa. Angeke ngikukhohle ngizohlezi nje ngicabangele yabo. So ngizokubona manje ne khona okunye ngisoyidila nako lapha ekhaya. Bye.
In the night, ain't no shit by my side. I don't care how you lie. I just wanna get the prize. With me, I am nice. I don't care about your wife. She looks hard, but the guy. Popping bottles in the night.
Danko big man.
Ngiyabonga ukuthi ufike yabona. Kahle ngicela ungenzele ifika sibani.
Favor njani manje?
Nje intombi yami yabo ukuthi ngise-studio ngibhizi ngiphekana nenhleki la. So ngicela ungidayisele i-love song yakho mfethu. Ngizokhona ukuthi ngimtshele ukuthi bengicula la.
Love song ukelmuphi loyo just qale lapho ukelmuphi.
Isho mfethu ungastress ngalento leyo mfethu wena nje ngicela ungifakele nje le track lelo mina ngizokhafa nje 150 yangithola.
Okay. Inkinga manje ukuthi mina ngiwayenza ama love song yabo. Mara and nalapha e-studio sa renovate. Mara izathi masiceda ku renovate kanje ngikubize yabo sesibana.
Okay, athi mfethu kusho ukuthi nasenzuza ngawo uma sengiqedile ngamanje ama renovation.
Uzozwa ngami and manje shoot khona nenye indaba yedili bese sihlanganisile noma umjidi. Njengoba sokukhona wena kanje ngiyacabanga izinto zizoba great.
Ja mfethu makuvela amadili kanjena mfethu mhlambe nami sengizavela vele full time kule industry le music mfethu yabo.
Akuna stress shoot sayilungisa.
Shahlahle mfethu ngijahile khona la uthi kumele ngibhonye ibhizi nentombi yami yazi.
Ubani manje yiphi intombi futhi?
Isho mfethu ngizakuintroduce kuyo mfethu mayibuya ngama Easter holiday kuma Easter holidays.
Yabona ke nini ungintroduce? Sengintroduce eka-3 safuna ungintroduce bese bangibize ngosibali.
Akhuleka sibali yazi na uthi ngivayo mfethu ngizakubamba.
Danko. Relax ke la.
Yeah, Mr. Content Creator.
Boyfriend everyone sithi khamba kanjani?
Bethu uphuma entombini yami. Delete na le vlog eniyenzile sibani.
Mangathi angifuni kuzoyenzakalani vena?
Mfethu angeke uzuyithanda into ezoyenzakala mfethu.
Okay, angifuni ke asibone ukuthi kuyenzakala.
Into tanyakukhuza.
Ayahlekisa.
Uyaphi man?
Ngitshela uthanda ukuthi sengithole i-act elisha for episode elandela yabo.
Suthi bana sana. Yamadoda ayibili. Lokubamba.
Hamba ke.
I was down, had no one. I had something but never had it out. Yeah, since the young, knew I wouldn't want. Now I got my G's in the crib, lifting cups. Yeah, I was down.